Yeah, alright, my people, it's your people, blessed love, all everybody doing, alright. You are going, now hook up the, I'm hooking up the faucet here. But the thing is, it's so difficult to hook it up while the sink is in place. So I have to release the sink, release all the pipe, the drainage pipe from under the bottom, so I can pick up the sink, so I can screw this on real tightly. Remember, pay close attention to that, because when you're hooking up your sink, if you already go ahead and seal it down, and maybe even screw it down or however you feel the best way to do it, and make sure that you get this thing on first, because the space between the concrete and the sink is so small to get your hand up in there. See, so it's best if you just hook it up on it the way you want it, and then put it down. And so you can screw the flexi hose, the water hose on it. Alright, so I already released it anyway. I'm already put on the lip on it. So I'm going to go ahead and pick it up. Wow. I will be careful when I'm coming out. I don't really want to scratch it. I don't really want to scratch it up. But you have to make sure it stay in good place, because it can shrivel from side to side. And you want to get it dead center. No problem. When the time comes, I'm going to pull it out. That I will have to do. So even I really don't want to do anything to it this Thursday. Anyway, just stay as a moment. Just stay. Not in a permanent. Alright. Come with me. And you want to get the shed taper from the right angle where you're going to tighten. It's a hurry. You should have put it on. Why am I up there? Alright, my people, here we are going. This is accurate, same way. So, come back up here, so I'll put on the check tape there. Come here, so yeah. Alright, so Alright, we'll see if this works. That should do it. Alright, come on up. Bless her. Yeah man, that's me now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on about the water and see what I go on. Alright. Let's go turn on the water. Water not run too heavily. But so far I don't see no leaks. I don't see no leaks whatsoever on the people. Yeah, you can take a look with me and see no leaks, alright? Alright, so that's a good look. That's it for the sink. Thank the item again. Bless up. We are going to fix a fence there now. The fence we're going to deal with there now, alright? Because Bobo are going away, so we have to deal with the fence, alright? So thank the Adam again for watching and supporting. Bless him. Watch it to know the people. Is it? Anybody need some ripe bananas? Yeah. Alright, you're welcome. Yeah, Bobo. Make go look on your little spot, you know, we always run out through. But let me get me the gloves. You know, sister, I have on my boat though. See that? I have on my work boat. See? I'm gonna make sure I have on my glasses. So I'm gonna get my gloves. Me as a youth, I just some mistake. Me no like to put. Me no like to see an unhappy face. My unhappy face in a video them. So me kinda just push certain issues and certain things aside. I'm gonna try to bring a whole heap of stress in my thing. The fucking dog come tear them a banana. I bubble do this, you know, see there? I ain't do that, you know. I run through there. But now I tell him I have to stop it. Can't take him to come up in there, so I have to keep him one place. See? Hang tight with people. Alright people, we know exactly what to do with this fence, alright? I may get it bats up against it. Bubba run through it again a while ago and through me scold him. Saying he might try to be rebellious. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'll get the flexi hose down by the hardware forward back. I'm gonna get the window, and then I'll come and pull this up and set it up, because this is immediate right now. This thing is immediate right now. Alright, so hang tight and balance. Bless up.